Hi, I'm Ed Kaminsky with Strand Hill Properties at the Kaminsky Real Estate Group here in Redondo Beach, California.
And I'm Miguel Garza with Strand Hill Properties of the Kaminsky Real Estate Group.
Welcome to our newest listing in Redondo Beach. We are in the very popular TRW Tract. This area is known to be really special for single family homes, meaning the entire area is zoned R1, which means they do not allow construction of apartments or townhomes in this neighborhood. This house is unbelievable. It is one of the only single-story, 3,500 square foot homes ever built in the South Bay.
It was featured on Extreme Home Makeover in 2006. When they bought it in 2014, they completely remodeled it head to toe. So it's pretty much a brand new home. Everything is new, great design, great feel. So the home is designed for wheelchair access, which gives all walkways and common areas just a great open feel. You don't really get that in any home in the South Bay, to be honest.
Yeah, and I think what you're gonna love about this house the most is this front part, this expansion of the living room and this massive kitchen with this massive island flanked by two really bright outdoor patios right off the side of the kitchen and the living room. It's fantastic.
It floods the house with light.
It does. I mean, those windows around here does bring in the natural light, which I think people really appreciate. And then in the back of the home, there's 4 rooms back there. 3 are officially bedrooms, 1 beautiful master suite. The 4th room is used as an office, but you could pop in a closet there and make it a 4th bedroom. And then off in the back, off the small backyard, is this huge garage off the alley. One last question for you, Miguel.
Sure.
I know this street is extremely popular for Halloween. What happens here?
So they close off the street, and they say that about 2,000 to 3,000 kids come through and trick or treat. All the neighbors do full-size candy bars, and one of the houses actually has like a dance party down there for just the kids. So
I think I'm coming next year.
Yeah. So great family environment, great neighborhood, great street.
Well, to wrap up, the home has come out on the market at $1,795,000. It's already getting a lot of interest. So if you're seeing this and it's not yet sold, come on down, take a look at it. It's at 2842 Pinkard Avenue in Redondo Beach. And I'm Ed Kaminsky checking out from Strand Hill, Christie's International at the Kaminsky Real Estate Group. Thanks for watching.